Most people assume all crypto wallets are basically the same, but the surprising truth is that features, security, and ease of use can make a huge difference. Today, I'm giving an honest review of Mycelium, one of the most respected Bitcoin wallets on the market. Mycelium is a mobile wallet designed for iOS and Android, focusing primarily on Bitcoin. Most people get this wrong by expecting it to support every cryptocurrency. While it's Bitcoin first, it offers advanced features like hardware wallet integration, cold storage, and local trading. Setting up Mycelium is simple. You download the app, back up your recovery phrase, and you're ready to store and manage your Bitcoin. You won't believe what happens next once connected. You can send and receive Bitcoin instantly, view live market prices, and even trade locally with other users through the app. Security is a standout feature. Private keys remain on your device, and you can use hardware wallets for additional protection. The surprising truth is that even advanced features are easy to use once you understand the interface. There are some downsides. The interface can feel dated, and it's not ideal if you want multi-coin support beyond Bitcoin. However, for anyone focused on Bitcoin security and control, Mycelium is excellent. If you want a secure, feature-rich Bitcoin wallet that gives you full control of your funds, Mycelium is a solid choice. Subscribe for more honest crypto wallet reviews before storing your crypto.